Now, how you can get your first $500 per day with free traffic using TikTok as your social media platform promoting ClickBank products or other CPA affiliate networks out there. So first of all, let me show over here, right? As you can see here on my screen, let me go in this last 7 days. You can see we have video views over here. Let's go to last 28 days, right? It's over 1 million views. So you can see video views, 1 million. It's all free organic traffic, right? Now, of course, you can go and create Faces account with UGC videos, but you have to understand who is your audience, what do they want, and giving them the content they want in a really simple but effective manner, which is really, really important when it comes to low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, right? It really matters the way you're doing it. And yeah, you can go and hire someone to make a scripted video, but it cannot work in the same way if it's not native, right? Everyone, especially on the Facebook or let's say TikTok platform, are looking for the native advertising, okay? Native is the name of the game in 2024 with affiliate marketing. Now, as you can see over here, let's go to viewers, okay? Viewers, total viewers in the last 7 days, 173,000. And in the last 28 days, you can see 511,000 viewers, okay? Now, go back to overview and go last 60 days, 2.6 million views, 30,000 comments. Imagine how much more sales you can get if you're getting, let's say, not just positive likes, okay? It's all about positive emotion, the feelings that we are transferring with our content, right? So you wouldn't be able, you don't have to spend tons of money on ads. And again, if you're scared of spending money on ads, the only reason is because the way you should be thinking about paid ads is this, okay? If you're spending, let's say, you're giving $1 or $100 to Facebook in a day or TikTok in a day, and you're getting back 200, you're letting, you're borrowing it, same as a bank, okay? You give money for one day for 24 hours to Facebook or TikTok, and you get it back in the next 24 hours. Okay, once you think about it, is investment into data to see what's working. And once you have someone who can give you winning ads, winning quiz funnels, winning advertorials, where you can see exactly why things are working the way they do, because in the past maybe you tried other things and it didn't work out. And the reason why it didn't work out is because you don't know what you don't know. Maybe you bought some course and it didn't tell you what is the missing secret. So once you discover what is it, it's actually understanding your audience and having 5 pre-sale points in each funnel. And funnel is nothing else than a decision-making processes. Okay, they say you are one funnel away to get results. Yes, but the funnel has to be exact step that's going to move person to the problem state and into the solution state. So what we need is the right message to the market match. Okay, that's what is important. Now, later you can find me over here on my Instagram. Okay, so before I go further, you can connect with me over here on my Instagram if you have any questions regards to affiliate marketing or running ads, organic traffic. Okay, but only if you're serious. Like if you really, really want to get results with CPA affiliate marketing in 2024. Okay, so okay, let's go straight into it so you can see exactly how this is working. All right. So why you're losing money? Okay, if you tried affiliate marketing before and you lost money on paid ads, it's because you don't understand this attention and intention. Okay, for a sale, you need to have intent, buyer's intent, and attention. Okay, first of all, attention and then buyer's intent. So if you have attention, okay, you have clicks, you have traffic without buying intent, then you have only curiosity clickers who are non-buyers. And that's the reason, my friend, you're not getting any sales and conversions because you don't understand that all these platforms like Facebook and TikTok are going to reward you for giving positive emotions to their users. Okay, for everyone who is Facebook member or YouTube member or TikTok member, you need to give them positive user uh, emotion, feeling, right? So they stay on the platform more and more. All right, and you can see over here, right? How does it work? Look, this is your offer on ClickBank, let's say. And this is the bridge or gap. There is something missing. The wholeness, the feeling, emotion, right? Your ad is over here. This is you, your offer, and wholeness. This is the solution state. Okay, they're getting solution. So they're in a low emotional state, and this is the wall that you have to crush or actually remove with your offer. And this is done through 5 pre-sale stages. Okay, pre-sale points. Now you can see this is what most of gurus are teaching you to do, and it doesn't work. This stuff doesn't work. And the reason why is because you're going to get with this page, with this ClickFunnels landing page, you are going to get, look, you're going to get these clicks, curiosity clicker or non-buyers. Why? Because only attract people to with curiosity attention, right? They're curious to see what's on the next page, but the page doesn't do the job well enough to move them and convert them into the sale, into the buyer. Okay, so you can see how quickly and how fast you can make $500 profit per day with low ticket product, low ticket offer. Let's say that you're earning $100 per sale, $90 per sale, which is 90%, $90 profit per sale. You need 5 sales per day to make, let's say, $500 net profit. Okay. Now sometimes you're gonna have up sales, down sales, right? So in that case, you can make even more. You can see over here, you need only 2 sales a day. And let's be honest, you don't need 10,000 sales a day or 1,000 sales a day or even 100 sales a day. You just 1 to 3 sales a day to make what, $10,000 to $20,000 per month. All right. And you can do it for free traffic, or you can add, if you have, let's say, $20 or $25 a day with ad campaign. Once you have running ads, you're getting money back. Of course, you're gonna spend more money, right? If it works. So the question now is like, if you could do it alone, right? As you watch this video right now, if you could do it alone, you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be watching this video, looking on YouTube, maybe after my video, going to another one, and repeating this process for months and months or years. Okay? If you could make money online, you would have already done it, but you don't. And the reason why is because you tried all these other things. You tried all Amazon, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, some courses on ClickBank, and it didn't work out. And the reason why is because you didn't have someone to exactly show you one-on-one exactly how it works. The reason behind the scenes. As I told you, have you ever heard about low emotional states, high emotional states audiences? What is the difference? The language patterns for females and males in your ad copy. Okay, once we are targeting, why we go for engagement ads and then to the conversion ads. Now, you don't have to learn all this. If you have 20 minutes or 30 minutes per day, it can be all done together with you and done for you. Okay, what you need to bring to the table is at least 30 minutes per day and some money to invest in yourself to get this kind of results. Okay, so you can see over here, people don't buy when they're in the problem state. Okay, they buy when they're in the solution state. So our job is, as a marketers, to move them into the solution state from problem state. And and now next, what you can do next, you can connect with me as you watch this video on my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my phone number is over there in the bio, in the description below. And you're also going to have my Facebook, my Messenger, where you can reach out to me, and my email. Okay, so let me know, but only if you're serious. Okay, if you don't have any money to invest in yourself, do not waste my time, because I will not waste your time either. Okay, so it's really important to understand that if you're really serious, if you're action taker, if you're not making excuses, and you want to make $10,000 or more dollars per month, or first $2,000 to $3,000 in 7 days from now, starting tomorrow, starting today, do let me know as you watch this video. Okay, as I showed you before, there are specific reasons for your specific problems that you have right now. You feel stuck, okay, and you can keep continuing being stuck in this situation for months and months and months, or you can say enough. I want to value myself. I will invest something in myself and make it happen. Okay, even though it's just $2,000 in a week, that's $8,000 per month. That's yours. If you're working at a job 9 to 5, nothing wrong with that. At least if you have 30 minutes a day, this is doable. Okay, so let me know after watching this video.